Hi all, this is Wednesday and Loendi Live is on the way. I'm sorry for last week. I had a very good discussion and I had my video. Somehow I've lost the video. It just disappeared. I deleted it by accident or I did something that wasn't good. And I had so much this week that I could not catch up. So what I'm going to do tonight, I'm going to talk about building your website, and this is what I was talking about last week. So I have a video that I will add at the bottom of my video that you can also have all the points I'm talking about tonight. I'm trying to share the screen, but it doesn't want to show because then I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So let's see. Okay, screen share. Stream. Okay, it seems like it's not going to work. Active actions, no. Okay, so firstly, building your website. I already talked about the niche. You decide what type of niche you want to use and you can narrow it down. So let me just open this one here and I can talk about building your website. So first you choose and buy a domain name. Now, most of you might have done it or not yet because I never sent the Groovefunnels, which is a free website builder and a free where you can do your everything of getting a domain and just adding the Groovefunnels and everything will be done and finished. It's everything under one roof and that's why I like Groovefunnels. You can build 3 websites for free with Groovefunnels. So firstly, you choose and buy the domain name that you choose that will fit your clients, your products, whatever you want to sell. Then we will set up the hosting and we will set up the email application. And this is all done by Groovefunnels. So the next thing, set up hosting. What we have to think of when you set up hosting, every site that we have needs a host. So we must choose a reliable host that can host our website, because you don't want to start a business with a website and then tomorrow they close or they're not reliable or they have more than 1 or 2 or 3 hours a day downtime. So that's why I also say check their downtime. What is their downtime? Because you want your website to be available permanently 24 hours for anybody who wants to search for something. Furthermore, you check if they have support. This is very important. If you need help, there must be support that can immediately stop and help you with whatever problem you have. And furthermore, I also look at do they have a good reputation. You can always look at reviews, what people say about the experience, but with Groovefunnels I'm very happy and there's a lot of people that's already changed to Groovefunnels and the reviews are excellent. It's still in beta because we're still planning and going ahead with some of the apps, but it's working wonderful. And in this video I also have the link for you guys. So setting up hosting, that's it. Choose and buy the domain name. Now, if you think of a domain name, keep the domain name short. It must be easy to pronounce. If I use a name that people can't pronounce or can't spell, they will never get my domain because they spell it wrong and they can never get into my website. So also look at unique and brandable names that you can make yours, that is part of you and what you sell and what you do. And what we always say, choose a .com domain name. It's not always easy to find the right name that's available because .com is most of the time sold out or somebody already have the name, but choose as easy as possible, as near as possible to your name, that people will, how can I say, access your website easy by thinking, oh, she's selling baby products, but what, nappy liners or nappy this or something. So we can think of something.com that will make them remember what you sell. And think long term. If you have a domain name and say, for instance, your business explode, in 2-3 years time you still want to use your business. So don't think short term, think long term of what you want to experience and how you want to grow your business. The next thing that I'm talking about that we have to do is setting up your email address. Now for email address, I have a Gmail account, but not everybody accepts Gmail account because Gmail also have their issues. But if you have a business, you need a branded email. It's more professional, it's more organized, and you build relationships. I have loendi@legitblueprint.com. So I stand for I don't do anything that's not legit. I want it not to be a scam or anything, so it must be value to the client. So I have loendi@legitblueprint.com because I use the blueprint to be legit. And that's why it's easy for people to find me, and I can also easily just give out my name and they will remember loendi@legitblueprint.com. So think in that line if you're thinking of doing your domain name. Okay, now we're going to Groovefunnels, and I'll put this video up that I just will finish and put it up, and you will also have a video below about all the things I've just mentioned. So Groovefunnels is a one-stop shop software solution, everything under one roof. So you don't have to go around and buy ClickFunnels and then buy an email setup and buy all the different things and buy a page builder. Everything is available in one place. And the new name of Groovefunnels officially is going to be Groove. It came out as Groovefunnels, but I saw today they said the official new name will be Groove. And you can use Groovefunnels to build websites for free. You don't have to pay a thing. Everything is for free. You can use 3 full websites for free. You can sell unlimited products. You can attract affiliates and without any fees. And that's why I'm so happy that Groovefunnels came out and that I can share it with you guys. And they say the last online sales system that you will ever need. Now I am a member of them and I've been using them, and I'm really, really happy at what they present and what we can do. And there's more to come. And we can sign up for free, as I mentioned. So guys, this is in short, before my new camera and my new video is closing, what I want to talk about tonight. And I hope I can say apology for last week, and I hope this will help you, and I'll see you next week, Wednesday, with Loendi Live, and see how far you are. So if you have any questions, please put it in the comments below the videos, and I will come back to you and support you that we can all be on the same page for next week when we start again. So I'm providing advice, training and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. And that's why I'm here to support you. So check out the links below and make sure you sign up for Groovefunnels, which is free. You don't even have to pay ever. There's not a 40-day trial or a 10-day trial or a 30-day trial. It's free until you decide you want to go further.